For more than 20 years, you couldn't go anywhere without hearing the rhythms of Lady Saw. She was a legend in her own right and a legend in her own time. She called herself the Queen of the Dancehall, and she earned her crown well. But not long ago, she walked away from all of it to become a minister of Jesus Christ. And while certainly she's missed in dancehall, her unique sound was what made her so legendary. After all, she walked away for a good reason. But how has that decision affected her? What is Lady Saw's net worth in 2020? Let's take a look at what we know. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Lady Saw has made all of her money through royalties from her music, which she began from a very young age. She was born in Galena, in the parish of St. Mary in Jamaica. But after she started working at the Free Zone in Kingston, she linked up with all of the local sound systems and began her musical career in earnest. But her big breakthrough came when she started working with the Stereo One sound system, and this move kicked off a career that would last for more than 20 years. Lady Saw got her name from the famous Jamaican singer Tenor Saw, whom she says inspired her music. Though her first single, Love Me or Left Me, made a few waves in dancehall, she really broke through into the dancehall with her single If Him Left. She would then go on to top the charts with her song Find a Good Man. Lady Saw would then go on to have a string of hit songs including Stab Up the Meat, Life Without Dick, Name No Stand for Sex, Give Me the Reason, Good Walk, and Condom. She's more than just a singer or a DJ. She's the originator of the so-called slackness style of Jamaican music. Known for her raunchy, sexually explicit lyrics, Lady Saw used to say that slackness often refers to vulgarity in Jamaican culture, behavior, and the music. It always sums up the explicit sexual lyrics used in reggae and dancehall music. Because of this, several of her performances were banned in some parts of Jamaica, though equally lewd male performances were not. For many mainstream American audiences, however, Lady Saw was best known for her appearance on the hit No Doubt song Underneath It All in 2001. She won a Grammy Award for her performance on the song, becoming the first female dancehall DJ to get the honor. December 15th, 2015 was a momentous day for Lady Saw after she received a baptism. She stopped referring to herself as Lady Saw and became known as Minister Marion Hall. She then started recording gospel music, and in 2018 she released her second gospel album, His Grace. Even though she is Lady Saw no more, her impact is still felt in dancehall, which is why she will continue to have a high net worth in 2020 and beyond. As of the recording of this video, Lady Saw's net worth is a whopping $500,000 US. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video informative or interesting. If so, please remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember that you can receive all of my notifications by clicking the blue bell icon, so that you will never miss any of my updates. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.
To slow the spread of this unprecedented and challenging health pandemic, we urge you near and far to observe the many calls for social distancing. We're doing the same, and we look forward to when next we meet again.